Then calculator. Creating a calculator, we will be switching this into three parts. One, two, one, one, two, and three. So the first part will be the HTML, which we're doing today. The second will be of CSS, and the last will be of JavaScript. So first, create a Codepen account. I already have it. And log into it and just create a new pen. So first we have to start with the basic structure, HTML, and close it. And there's also the head, and also close that. And put the title in the head. There's also a title tag. The title is here you see a pen by Cody. That's the title. Still here. The title will be calculator. It's not changing because you have to change it from here. Cal. I'll just short cal dot. Yep. So now there's a head and there's a body. So now we did the head, which has a code which does not show on the screen but shows on the tab something or does things, but we don't see it do things on the screen. So now, first of all, we want to add a heading for it. So we want to add a heading in it. So we'll add the body tab. We'll add the H1. You can also add H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. You can go to 6. And H1 is the biggest, H2 is smaller, H3 is smaller, and that goes on. So H1, next we'll be adding calculator and slash H1 closes and what's wrong? Oh, I've got to save it. Okay. Oh, I forgot to stop and title with the slash. Now what should I? Yep. Now we have calculated in it, and now let's go add the other things. H1 we also need to add. So now we're adding a input. An input. An input can have numbers, and so add a type is equal to numbers. So now here we have the type, and it shows this for the number. We don't have a use first because the use will be, but add an ID for it. ID is it specifies something, so you don't need to add like input. So input ID is going to be input input 1 and just copy paste this if you want to make it shorter. Control C, Control V, change the ID to input 1 to input 2. Now we have two inputs, and to make it on top of each other, you need to add the BR tag, break tag. This one, some of the tags which do not need to be closed, like the input and the BR tag. So here we look at this. It's under the tag. We can also add if we add another one of these BRs, it just gives more space. See, now we have it. Now we want to add buttons for it. Plus, we need to add a addition button, a subtraction button. You need to add all of these buttons. So for this, add the button, and inside the button you need to add a on click, so it does something on click, and this is related to JavaScript. So I'll add the add and that is add here, addition, and just close this. We can also we need to add a lot of them, so we just copy this button, addition button, there should be a subtraction button, so I'll just write test minus to make it simpler, and here will be a set subtraction. So the next button will be multiplication, so multiply in the on click, and in the addition we can add multiplication. Hey guys, have you noticed that it's just addition is the smallest, and here it's doing this literally here. Addition is the smallest, subtraction is bigger, then multiply is even bigger. Yep. So now we have a division here. And just change this to division. And save this. It auto saves actually, so you don't need to worry about it saving. So now, as you see, there's more buttons here: addition and subtraction, and multiplication, and then division. But we add the BR tag to make it a bit make it at the down. So save it when save now down. So add another BR to give it a bit more space. And now we have it turned up. So thank you guys for watching. See you all next time. And don't forget to like and subscribe.